Unpacking. First of all, check all the parts. Please contact with the seller in time once any deficiency is detected. Installation. 1. Take down, remove the two protection clips. 2. Insert the other end of the conveying pipe into the socket of the remote extruder. 3. Place the bottom plate. 4. Feeding. Clip the head material with scissor and bend the head material straight. Press the string of the extruder with hands. Insert the head material into the hole, which is on lower end of the extruder, deep to the bottom. Hang the material disc on the hook on side of the printer. Keep the material unknotted. 5. Inserting the card. 6. Plug in and power on. Printing. 1. Apply a thin layer of glue on the bottom plate before the commencement of the printing. 2. Press the control knob to enter into the main menu. Rotate the knob to move the choice box to SD card operation. Press the knob to enter into the submenu. 3. Rotate the knob and move the choice box to printing document. Press the knob to enter into the submenu. 4. Rotate the knob. Move the choice box to the document to be printed. Press the knob to begin printing. 5. Take down the bottom plate after the printing, and take down the finished printing product by a slight bending. After that, clean the surface of the bottom plate, washable, in order to use for the next time. Function introduction. Suspending printing. 1. During the printing process, press the control button. The control menu pops up on the display screen. 2. Rotate the knob and move the choice box to suspending printing and press the knob to suspend printing. Continuing printing. This function is only applicable to the continuing of printing after suspending printing in condition of continuous power on. 1. Press the control knob and the operation menu pops up on the display screen. 2. Rotate the knob and move the choice box to continuing printing and press the knob to continue printing. Stopping printing. It is not available to continue printing after stopping printing, and please be cautious when using this function. 1. During the printing process, press the control knob and the control menu pops up on the display screen. 2. Rotate the knob and move the choice box to stopping printing, and press the knob to stop printing, and it is impossible to continue printing after stop printing. Return of material and reloading. This printer is equipped with the function of automatic return of material, which can be utilized in condition that the consumable is to be used up or it is necessary to change to different colors. 1. In the condition of normal display of main interface, press the control knob, and the main menu pops up on the display screen. 2. Rotate the knob and move the choice box to heating to replace the consumable, and press the knob to enter into the operation. 3. In processing, and please wait, shows on the interface, and please wait patiently. 4. The automatic return of material ends up, and the display screen returns to the main interface, and the temperature on the extrusion head falls, and the operation is finished. Please check www.isee3d.cn for more information.